This is an electric grill brush that was sent over to me to check out and make this video. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at this brush, and we're going to test it out on this grill I cooked on the other day. Let's get into it. Let's start off with what you're going to get in the box. Obviously, you're going to get your grill brush. Comes with a metal brush on there. It also has this scouring pad brush here. You're going to get a charging cable, a pair of gloves, a user manual, and this little tab here for changing out your attachments. So guys, I cooked on this grill a couple of days ago, and I saved it just for this here demonstration. So we're going to put this brush to the test and see how well it's going to clean up this grill. So this is super easy to operate. You got your button here that you need to push so that you can activate the spinning head there. It's got a metal guard here, splash guard, so that you don't have to, be worried about stuff splashing back up on you. So you have to use this here on a cold grill, which is why I didn't clean this here when it was hot the other day. So let's give it a run. Now the other thing about this here guard is you can also use this here as a scraper too if you needed to, if you have something that's really stuck on. But I don't have anything that's stuck on here, so we're just gonna keep going. So that was pretty quick, guys. So, that's just as clean as it would get if I were using my regular grill cleaning brush here. This grill here is at least 10 years old, so it's good and seasoned. So it's not going to get shiny, but definitely clean. And I would cook on top of this here if I was ready to cook my next meal. So if you guys are looking for a nice little convenient cordless grill brush, I highly recommend this here. I hope this helps.